The 40-liter drone, the production number, it comes with RTK antenna, the remote controller, 4 pieces centrifugal nozzles, and 2 extra centrifugal nozzles and 4 extra propellers, 2 batteries, 1 charger, the remote controller, camera. The terrestrial radar is under the water tank. This is the front of the 40-liter drone. There's a cover. The obstacle radar is installed here. It's covered by this yellow cover. And this is the front FPV camera. On the other side, there's another camera, FPV camera, and another obstacle radar here. It's covered by this cover.